Legends, we are going on an adventure. We are going to do a thing today called ship's stern. Now, you may have heard of me talking about previously. We've done maybe a section or two of it, but we haven't actually done the main ship's stern route. So we're going to do that today. Hopefully we get some beautiful views. The weather currently sat around 21, 22 degrees. We do expect it to go up. A few hills and lots of beautiful things to see around here. So we'll bring you along for the adventure. Ship's stern should be a good one. Right then, legends, so effectively, I don't know if you can see behind me, that's where we're headed. We're going to be doing like a circular route of that. Will bring us all the way around and all the way back again. Got the usual suspect with me today. Say hello, H. Hey. There he is. And look at that, isn't that beautiful? But we've got a long way to go and lots more to see, so let's keep pushing on. I've been having one of these days, you know, where you're walking and I just keep tripping up. I don't want to fall down one of these holes and all that. But look at this. Isn't this stunning? A lot of leaf litter from where there's had a few rainstorms, thunderstorms, etc. But we shall find a way through. Ta-da! Isn't this crazy? I was going to break my neck again. Look at this, legends. Isn't this absolutely stunning? Look at it. And that's that creek that sort of looks dry right at the top, but as it gets lower into the valley here, you can see that the water's starting to pool on it. How nice is this place, eh? Really, really nice. I don't know if you can see big H's in the background there. Oh. But I'm standing carefully on a rock here that I'm about to fall off, so we'll go and cross this creek. Definitely need to be a bit careful here. Slides away, you can see a lot of us falling down into that creek, so we'll take it nice and easy coming across here, and hopefully we won't fall and break our necks. There we go. But look at this place. Just look at it. It is just otherworldly. Let's see what else, other beautiful things we can see around here. Right then, legends, this is me trying to negotiate this creek crossing with my extremely small legs, and to be fair, some of these rocks are pretty slippy. Awesome. Look up that creek though. Isn't that stunning? Absolutely beautiful. How lucky are we to get to do shit like this? It's absolutely crazy. The way it just overhangs the path, which is here, and then goes into a sheer drop, which is there. Now, so we have been starting to climb up. So we were down at the creek, as you had seen before. We're now literally starting this climb back up, and we've cracked a bit of it now, to be honest. So come around the sort of 10-12k mark, we'll stop for a bite to eat. But yeah, it's pretty much been uphill for the last few k. So it has, and these cobwebs, oh my god, they're going to send me to the loony bin. But I'll come back when we've got further up the hill. I'll speak to you in a bit. Well, legends, we're just enjoying a nice sandwich. And there's sometimes you just sit and you think, where you're eating your lunch, and you just look at what you're actually looking at while you're eating your lunch. It's just, yeah, never underestimate how important it is to get out and do stuff like this. Oh, and by the way, that is my new cup holder. Pepsi is being held up by my shoes. But yes, there you go. What a beautiful place. We'll have our lunch and then we'll move on. Fantastic. Legends, I don't know if you can really make it out there, but over there is Egg Rock. That is where we camped before, down by the creek. It was so good. That's an Aboriginal site that you can only go to so far in or out of it, but it's a beautiful, beautiful spot. But I mean, just take a look at where we are, the height we've gained. We're going to turn the corner now and basically come out, and you'll see the open as we turn. But what I'll do is I'll bring you around. I know I've got my hat back to front, but the sun is ridiculously hot at the minute. Now, wait until you see this. Look at this. Stop it. Just stop it. Man, oh man. This, all the breeze. What can you say? Right, I'm sorry. Literally not 10 feet from the last corner I said, oh, every corner, blah, blah, blah. Look at this. Look at it. It's not even funny. It's stunning. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this food. Oh my god. Look at these views. And there's a bit of a breeze. What I might do is see if Brendan will go down and organise a rescue to come and take me off the hill here, because when you get out of this breeze it is bloody warm. Right, I'll leave you this time for at least another 2 corners. So then, legends, we've sort of cracked the hardest part of this, and we're down to about 6.5 kilometres ish left to push back to the main car park. Now, most of the way back I think is similar to this, but it is, I mean, as you can see, it is absolutely beautiful. But them views up top, and to be fair, I've just been discussing it with Big H here, the actual route, this is not a difficult route as such. Even on the climb up to the top, it was actually okay. Listen to this, listen. We'll hear you coming. So it's been really, really, really good. I've enjoyed it a lot. Sitting having their lunch out in that outcrop as well was so good. What I would say though is, if you ever come out to do stuff like this, and we've noticed this today, make sure you're wearing the right footwear. Make sure if you've got poles, bring them, because it makes such a difference to walking. And we had that wee discussion when we used to do walks without them, and the difference to make just for balance and just checking the ground in front of you and stuff. Anyhow, I'll let you go, and I'll probably bring you back when we get to the car before we start heading back. But this, if you've never been here, or you're just coming onto the channel to have a look at what this place is all about, you just have a look. It is so beautiful. Right, I'll catch up with you in a bit. Adios. Legends, look at this. Isn't this absolutely spectacular? Look at it. I'm so tempted just to plunge in there, but we've still got a few K to go back. I did say I'd get back to you when we get back to the car, but you can't pass stuff like this and not show people like what this is all about. It is truly, truly beautiful. It really is. Absolutely stunning. Remember, you get a chance to do stuff like this, how lucky you are, because you just don't know. Legends, just keep going. And a bit. Right then, legends, we are done. What a great, beautiful place this was. So glad we did it. So just enjoying a nice milkshake with a big H. And I'm going to leave this one here. Remember all the good stuff, like, share, subscribe and all the rest of it. Until the next time, stay eat and a bit.